My name is Joe Arantia. I'm the Director of Maintenance and Grounds for Mesa Public Schools. Here in the Maintenance Department, we are responsible for the upkeep and overall appearance of over 8,396,000 square feet of building space. The scope of work ranges anywhere from minor to major repairs, fabrication, floods, power outages, storm damage, and the list goes on. Our department provides a safe and healthy learning environment for our staff and students. Our exceptional work order clerks are the engine that drives this department. On top of answering phone calls that come in all day and advising our techs of any emergencies that arise on a daily basis, our clerks turn anywhere from 150 to 300 work orders per day, 3,000 to 5,000 a month, and last calendar year, they turned 43,796 work orders. Our grounds department is responsible for the upkeep and overall appearance of over 1,400 acres of courtyards, athletic fields, and landscaping in and around all district sites. The scope of work ranges from sprinkler system installation and repairs, flood irrigation, remove and pour concrete, prep all athletic fields, and the complete setup and removal of over 10,000 chairs for the most important day of the year, graduation. I am proud to work for such an amazing department and proud to be an employee of Mesa Public Schools.